Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how we can add the Zoom integration into HubSpot. And so you can see information about your Zoom meetings, you can add them into your scheduler, you can use the workflow function in HubSpot to schedule and promote Zoom meetings, and you can also see webinar information as well. So it's a very simple process. You know, if you logged into HubSpot and you've just got your contacts or you got reports or whatever showing here, all you have to do is you go up to the marketplace icon here. You can go to the app marketplace and then you just do a search for Zoom. And, you know, there's heaps of other apps you can look at here as well. So have a look. Maybe there's another app you could benefit from here. And anyway, we click on Zoom and then we click on this little install app button over here. And this is going to then give you the details to log into Zoom. So I'll use my Google login for Zoom. And then we click allow to connect that up. And now we have it added in here. Now, some of the features you get from this are, for example, when you're setting meetings and you're giving the options for the other person to schedule a call, when you schedule a call, you can have the details be for Zoom instead. So let's have a look here. As you can see here, we've got video conference link. So once you add the Zoom link, you'll have that option here to add video conference, the Zoom video conference link. And then that way it's automatically scheduling or creating the Zoom meeting link for each meeting you've got. And then under each contact in HubSpot, when you go to a contact, you'll also have additional Zoom properties created as well to keep track of things like webinar attendance and what have you. So if I go into this one and have a quick look at their properties, we can see here that 10L has these 4 properties: Zoom webinar attendance duration, last registered Zoom webinar, total number of webinar registrations, and webinars attended. So that's some of the functionality. I'll go into this in more detail in another video, but this video is just a quick snapshot, a quick view on how to install the integration for Zoom. So I hope that's been useful. Let me know if you have any questions, thoughts. If you want me to go into other detail or share anything else, feel free to add it in the comments. And if this has been useful for you, please like this video. And of course, if you want to see more videos about HubSpot or Zapier or Zoom or any automation and digital marketing and sales, feel free to subscribe, and there'll be lots more coming. Okay, thank you so much for watching. All the best. Cheers.